Hello, welcome to my Halloween home decor tour. I didn't put a whole lot out, just, my favorite stuff. And I got some new stuff like these cups. So this is in the sunroom. This runner was from Temu. I was sort of disappointed it wasn't real white stripe, but it's okay. I like it, it works here. This is my motionette. I've had him for a while. That werewolf is from Spirit Halloween. I kind of like him. Oh, there's a werewolf has a purse because he needs to put his stuff somewhere. That's from Temu. These cups were from Goodwill. I did them in a haul. And the picks were from Dollar Store. Oops. So that worked out okay. And over here I just have, I meant to say that's a vampire with a purse. Werewolf doesn't have one yet. Over here, I just have my model, my vintage sissy that I use to model glasses and stuff. She's got her purse too, and a Dollar Tree skeleton. And that's nothing much there. And some picks over here from Dollar Store I didn't quite know what to do with, so they're just stuck there. That's it in here. Let's see, in the kitchen, all I have is up here. I have that vintage ghost thing with the perforations in it. And I think that's a Dollar Store Frankenstein head, a Joanna Parker, salt and pepper, and a little teeny one. And then this is a Annalee mouse dressed up like a bat, I guess. So that's all I have there. Then in here, this is that cute Boo log thing I got, I think at Marshall's, and that jack-o'-lantern by Martha Stewart. It lights up, but I don't really turn it on. I put these Pottery Barn, I think they're Luminara on timers, and they all come on in the afternoon. And this is the bat, pink bat. I think I got them from Marshall's or Ross. Yes. My Temu skeleton pillow. They're all sold out of the skeleton pillows at Pottery Barn, so I just have this one. I think that's a vintage ghost. And he's got a little timer light in there. And that's a Crate and Barrel votive holder. This is one of my West Elm terracotta dupes that I did with a Dollar Tree skeleton. And there's the terracotta one over here. And there's my Temu doll with her little dress on. I think she's darling. But a sweet face. And down in here, I have all my Grogu's and that lovely witch lording over all of them. Up here, my Marshalls, I really like it. That Boo I've had for years. And there's the other ghosty. Oops, sorry. He's kind of cute too. And over here is that's a Department 56 Bride of Frankenstein, and I think that's Michael Myers. Is that Michael Myers or is that Jason? I can't remember now. That's from Temu, that light thing, or that little candle thing. Nothing else. Oh, I have this. That's really neat. That's from Spirit Halloween this year. Let me see if I can get it to go. It's got that theremin sound. The dogs don't like it, but it's kind of cool. Mars Attacks. And over here is my favorite stuff. These are my ideal mini monsters. I have the whole set. It took me ages to get the whole set. That's a vintage Hong Kong Lily. I did her dress. There's the Mad Doctor Frankenstein. Oh, there's a Sad-Eyed Susie. I think Misty sent her to me, and I put that outfit. And I have a little tramp art house underneath this creepy claw. And there's the werewolf mini monster. And there's the vampy mini monster. And that's a vintage jack-o'-lantern. And this is my super cute Blythe with this awesome face up that I got. I think I got her off AliExpress. And I put the eye chips in. And she's dressed like Vampira as well. And then over here by the Predicta, these were from Ross this year. These little espresso cups. I thought they were kind of nice. This is the Pumpkin Queen, Crafting Queen made. Quite lovely. It's like a Glitterville dupe. And then up here is a Joanna Parker stuffed doll. These were sort of cute. These mummy mugs were from, I think, Marshall. Joanna Parker stuff is few and far between this year. I haven't found a darn thing. That's a vintage jack-o'-lantern. There's the other mug. And I think I got this plushy ghost guy last year at Home Goods or something. And then this is my collection of Marshall Fields. These are vintage, but I found them over the years, and I've accumulated all of these. They look like the faces were all hand cut. Oh, and there's Pottery Barn and Ross mugs in there. These are the Pottery Barn ones. See, the faces are all unique on these. I love them. A couple of these were Mr. Retro's when he was a kid. I inherited those. Oh, there's a Temu sign. Oh, the faces are really nice. And there's another Temu sign. There's more there. And I have another one down at the beach that's got a bulb in it. But they're also fun to look at. So that's it in my cabinet. This is the cabinet I usually put all my reindeer wear in. I'll try to get further back at Christmas time. So that's how that, and the only other thing I have is over here is my cute shower curtain that I think I got last year at either Home Goods or TJ Maxx. And it's all cotton. I only like the all cotton ones. Let me see if I turn the light on. Can you see it better? There you go. You can see a little better. And that's it. That's all I put up. I think that's enough. So I will see you later. Get to decorating. Bye-bye.